Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these beautiful sunflower nails. So here I have her nails ready to go. And the first color we're going to be using is from Light Elegance. This is Sunbum. This is a beautiful, bright mustard yellow color. And so we're going to do a coat of this on all of her nails except her ring finger. If anyone is interested in a nail tutorial of these Lion King nails that I have on, I will put a link in the description box down below. Definitely make sure to go check that out. Also, the Lion King movie was so cute. If anyone hasn't seen it, you have to go see it. And the next color we're going to be using is Light Elegance's Alato Gelato. This is from their spring collection. This one is a pretty nude color. It's almost like a cream off-white type of a nude. And so we're going to paint a coat of this on her ring finger. And then we're going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the nails. And now we're going to add some glitter. So this is Light Elegance's Woody. It's this beautiful, sparkly yellow glitter. This is what inspired our look. She wanted sunflower nails, and I saw this glitter, and I said, we have to use this in your sunflower set. So I'm going to put this on her middle finger as well as her thumb. And now we're going to go in and draw the sunflowers. I will insert an inspiration picture if I can find it. But we will be using Mimosa from Madame Glam. And I'll be using my Midi Burns brush in Minty 0. And so we start with the yellow and kind of just put it in on the background for the sunflower. And next we're going to go in with Kira Sky's CEO. This is a brown shade. I may have added some black to this one as well, so it'll be the center of the sunflower. And then we're going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect Black and do all the outlining and detailing for the sunflower. And so once the sunflowers were done, we decided this design needed a little bit of something else. So we decided to add some of the glitter around the sunflowers on her ring finger. And so here's what the nails are looking, and now it's time for top coat. Today I'll be using my Madam Glam top coat. And so here's how the nails turned out. They are so fun and bright, perfect for the summertime. Sunflowers are her favorite flowers, and these were her birthday nail set. So they came out so cute. They're so simple, but sparkly and bright. Oh, they're just so fun. I love them so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!